All right, folks, that first 16 pellet 31 cal did awesome. We're gonna try it one more time just to confirm it. But this tuprw wad, it's shining, folks. No problems. All right, here we go with shot number 2, 16 pellets. Well, it sure is rocking that old target down there. Throwing these fold crimps out just fine. Get dirt on. No pressure signs, guys. 28.5 long shot. One thing I didn't say in my loading video, fold crimping does build up a little more pressure, guys. Actually, in the shot will be faster than roll crimped. That being said, that's about the biggest majorities between them. Let's see here. Yeah, folks, this load will work. 16 pellets will work all day long. One in the bullseye again. Almost looks like double strike. Could be. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That is a double strike. 16 pellets, folks. All 16 of them there. That's about 14.5, 15-inch pattern at 40 yards. That'll work all day. All right, that tuprw wad in a 3-inch round, which gives you a little more room to work with, works absolutely great, guys. It'll rock a deer, no problem. All right, let me tape these up, and I want to shoot an MG42 33 cal, which y'all know shoots great in this Gerson. Usually a 9 or 10-inch pattern. I'm gonna shoot it through an extra full choke just to see what it does. All right, stay tuned.